Welcome to today's exploration of the benefits of consuming garlic at night. Your kitchen might hold a secret to better health, especially during the night. Garlic, often overlooked, could be your nightly wellness warrior, offering benefits like lowering blood pressure, boosting the immune system, and even contributing to a spicier love life while you sleep. In this video, we'll uncover the nighttime magic of garlic, exploring its ancient remedies and modern scientific findings. Let's delve into the myriad benefits of nighttime garlic consumption. Boosts immune function. Garlic's allicin content, released when crushed or chewed, enhances immune function. Studies highlight how allicin influences immune cells, particularly boosting macrophages and lymphocytes, crucial defenders against common colds and infections. Lowers blood pressure. Garlic contains compounds like allicin, diallyl disulfide, and S-L-cysteine, which relax blood vessels, improving blood flow and reducing pressure on the heart. This nightly ritual could help maintain healthy blood pressure levels. Improves cholesterol levels. Garlic's compounds actively reduce cholesterol formation in the liver and enhance its clearance from the bloodstream. Incorporating garlic into your nightly routine supports effective cholesterol management, crucial for heart health. Anti-inflammatory effects. Beyond allicin, garlic's diallyl disulfide inhibits inflammatory pathways, providing a multi-compound approach to reducing inflammation. Garlic sends a calming message to the body's immune response, naturally combating inflammation. Detoxifies heavy metals. Garlic's sulfur compounds assist in reducing the harmful effects of heavy metals like lead and cadmium in the body. This natural detoxification process makes garlic a simple yet effective strategy for aiding the body in eliminating heavy metals. Improves bone health. Garlic, rich in nutrients like vitamins B6 and C, manganese, selenium, and antioxidants, supports bone health. Research suggests garlic's potential role in preventing bone loss, especially beneficial for postmenopausal women at risk of osteoporosis. Aids in digestion. Garlic's compounds like fructans and saponins support gut health by promoting beneficial bacteria growth. Consuming garlic at night enhances digestive processes and nutrient absorption while soothing the digestive tract. Improves sleep quality. Garlic's antioxidants combat oxidative stress, stabilizing the body's internal clock for more restful nights. Additionally, garlic aids serotonin production, a key neurotransmitter in regulating sleep. Increases sex drive. Garlic's nutrients and bioactive compounds contribute to improved blood circulation, supporting sexual arousal. Its role in lowering cholesterol and blood pressure indirectly promotes a healthier cardiovascular system, potentially enhancing sexual health. To fully reap these benefits, consider these tips. Choose raw or lightly cooked garlic. Consume 1 to 2 cloves per night. Crush or chop garlic to maximize allicin release. Try garlic tea for a milder experience. Consume garlic about 30 minutes before bedtime. Combine garlic with a small snack to mitigate stomach discomfort. Ensure regular and consistent consumption. Remember to consult with your healthcare provider, especially if you are on medication or have health conditions. Individual responses to garlic can vary, so listen to your body and adjust accordingly. In conclusion, garlic is more than just a flavor enhancer, it is a simple and natural way to support overall health. Moderation, consistency, and balance are crucial for obtaining long-term benefits. We hope this information has provided insights into the powerful benefits of garlic at night. Stay healthy, stay curious, and enjoy the wonders of natural health.